Yo, what's up guys, कितना सारे welcome back to another video. So first I want to tell that please subscribe this channel, press the notification bell. Channel name is Manjeet Singh, Technical Consultant Punjab, and link is in the description. So don't forget to subscribe my channel also. So let's start the video. We will make today this. I'm erasing it. We will make today this. And this is exercise number 3. So let's start. First we have to make a rectangle, a square of 125 by 125. Take a center rectangle, make it.
Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is
select these two lines and press equals. Go to smart dimensions. Dimension this line only 125, and the full sketch is defined. Then make some rough sketch here. When a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say it is rough.
So fine. You could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the
After some time we will dimension it. This time it is rough sketch. Now this should be 5 mm. This also should. In today's video, I will also tell how to change the mouse gestures. These are not my specs. This is blue cut lenses. Mouse gestures are this: press and hold right mouse button and drag it. See? I will choose smart dimension. I have chosen smart dimension 5. 5 and make this 25 mm. Sorry, not 15. I wanted to press 5 mm.
She keep playing me dumb. I'm a player for fun. Don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought. No flow rain was I'm pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned.
Now
up, you can feel my surge.
These mouse gestures are in default 4. I have chosen 12. Go to sketch fillet. Not offset. Go to sketch fillet. It should be 8 mm.
This shit in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you DJ. Let me elevate this in a prank. Have you walking on a plane?
We have to dimension something. This time not. Choose this and this. It should be 27. Now again go to sketch fillet and select this 2 lines, and we have made one. Go to mirror entities. Entities to mirror should be this. If you will not press shaded sketch contours, it will not select if we will press in middle of it. You have to select all the lines if you have not done shaded sketch contours. And mirror about this line. Go here. Mirror about this line. Done. And now again go to mirror entities. Select these two and and this line should be mirror about. See, we have made it. So bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Now I will tell about mouse gestures. So we have made this, and now right click on this bar and customize. Go to mouse gestures, and this is mouse gestures guide. You can change from here. Default is 4 gestures, but I have choose 12 gestures. If you want to print gestures guide, this is, and from here you can see, and if you want to do it, drag it and drag it anywhere, and like open, you can add in this or this if you are in drawing this, and assembly, in assembly this. Okay, it is very easy.